Good afternoon, everybody. This is Engineer Isaiah Tube. Earlier this morning, I was just wrapping up my video of my brand new 2005 Thomas and Friends Trackmaster Tommy Murdoch, which just shipped on Friday, which was last week. Yesterday, I didn't get a chance to finish it all the way through, so I had to finish the rest today. But now here I am with another product review, which is an item that I bought on eBay for, I can't seem to remember how much money I paid for this item too. $40-something dollars, I believe. Well, whatever it is, I bought this on eBay, and this package just shipped from Wilson Park, New York. And I'm pretty sure, I'm positive that I know what it is. It has to be my 2005 Thomas & Friends Load and Go Thomas. Which is a brand new item that doesn't have a window to keep it sealed. There's a receipt that says priority mail. So, I think, so yeah. Yesterday, basically what I'm saying is yesterday and earlier, I have just done a review of my brand new 2005 Thomas and Friends Tommy Trackmaster Murdoch, which I have on display on the piano, along with Thomas, Emily, and Talking Gordon, and my other brand new trays, which are behind the table. Well, my Load and Go Thomas is in this package here. In the meantime, I'm gonna pause the video and put the phone down and unbox this. Be right back. And here it is. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Yes. Hold on, folks. Let me get a good look at this real quick, and then I'll show y'all guys. Oh wow, that is awesome. So, wow. I've been waiting a long time for this to arrive in the mail. Okay, here it is, folks. The brand new 2005 Thomas and Friends Load and Go Thomas. This is a valuable item that I bought with my money, which shipped from Wilson Park, New York. Surely y'all probably know what the Load and Go Thomas is. Well, this is a very special classic toy that's brand new, never ever been opened, factory sealed in the original box, and has very good mint condition. Actually, it's not really sealed because for some reason there's no window to keep it shut. But whatever it is, this is a really cool item. Of course, it's too bad they didn't. Too bad this item doesn't have a window to keep it sealed. So, the Load and Go Thomas feature, Go Thomas, which I'm showing you all guys now. This is a very special toy that's for 18 months and up. Basically, the Load and Go Thomas is I think hold on. Let me take a look at the back of the box. So this is the back of the box, I think. Oh. Oh. Hold on. What's the brand on this thing? It's the Hit Toy Company. Hey, the person who actually sold this item to me got the year wrong. It's not 2005. It's 2006. It's the same year. It's actually the same year. Same year on my Whistle and Go Thomas, which I showed y'all guys which I have shown y'all guys previously. Obviously. So yeah, this is a one. Let me explain to y'all again. So basically, the Load and Go Thomas is a very special toy that's for 18 months and up. And it says that no batteries are required. Are required. And the cool thing about the Load and Go Thomas, it's a very special toy which you pull back Trevor, let go, and he really loads himself on the car, then watch Thomas and Trevor speed away. Basically, you pull back Trevor, and when you pull back Trevor, he'll load himself onto the car like this, or like this. Basically, there are 3 steps. Step 1, pull Trevor back. Step 2, let go. And he really loads himself on the car. Then watch Thomas and Trevor speed away. Basically, this Load and Go Thomas is a wind-up pullback toy. This is a wonderful item I've been wanting to get brand new in the original box for a long time. I'm not sure if this item has ever been featured in a commercial, but whatever it is, this is a really cool item. Well, it says, have loads of fun with Thomas and Trevor. This reminds me of one of the classic Thomas and Friends episodes from the old 1980s, where Trevor became Thomas's new best friend. In the episode A New Friend for Thomas, that's when Thomas met Trevor and became good friends with him. And truly in no time flat, and when Thomas took Trevor to this place, as Trevor was giving people rides, and eventually Thomas had to take him home. Except for one problem, though, that I just now realized. Thomas, this thing might be new, but there's something wrong with Thomas's smokestack. If I point the phone right here, you can see that there's a little bit of damage on his smokestack. So, that is kind of a bummer for this toy. But still, everything about this toy is still in pretty good mint condition. So I'm really looking forward to displaying this with all my other items. This is a valuable item I've been wanting for a long time. It's made by the Hit Toy Company. Of course, that was back in the day. And when this toy was pretty common. When I first found this item on eBay, except not new but used, I always thought it looked like an old 1980s toy. But since this was the only one I found brand new in the original box, let me tell you, it is actually really not a 1980s toy. This is a 2006 toy. Anyway, and I really am glad that this valuable item finally arrived in the mail. Although, if I were the Hitoi company, I would have not got the idea of attaching a string to Trevor. I would have just made the Thomas motorized, and then the Trevor not, and the string not attaching Trevor to Thomas. Just simply load Trevor onto the flatbed, and you turn Thomas off with the switch with batteries. If it were like that, it would be much better. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this toy. So this is what it looks like from the front. This is what it looks like from the back. The top, the bottom, and side back, and the side front. Ever since this item arrived in the mail today, I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger. But as far as this goes, it's the right size. Of course, even though it's brand new, this item, I hate to say that this item is a little bit in bad shape. So I'm gonna touch it up with some tape, and then hopefully by then the box will be fully restored. Be right back when I change it to timeline. Well, guys, I'm back again. I've touched it up. I've done a time-lapse video, and I touched up the box a little bit with some tape to keep the box in better condition. It's still, the box is still in pretty bad shape though. That's why I put some tape on it to keep. That way, it will make the box look like it has better condition. So, I bought this on eBay. I actually bought this on eBay before I bought my Santa Fe cargo train set. But my Santa Fe cargo train set, which I showed y'all guys a couple of days ago, already arrived in the mail first. Well, first, I bought the Load and Go Thomas first because I knew that was something that was harder to find than the Santa Fe cargo train set, because the Santa Fe cargo train set is not a rare wooden railway train set right now. So this is my second Thomas and Friends toy that's not a Trackmaster item that I will be keeping in the box forever. I'll bring out the Whistle and Go Thomas just to do a little comparison with the Load and Go Thomas. Be right back. So here is my 2006 Load and Go Thomas, right behind, which is right next to the Whistle and Go Thomas, which I have showed you on one of my previous videos. So I remember we're doing a review on the Whistle and Go Thomas back in July 2021. This is an item I had for quite some time now. The Whistle and Go Thomas, which I bought on eBay basically for $70 months ago. And let me tell you, I can't really tell which item is the best. Which guys do you think is more cool? The Load and Go Thomas or the Whistle and Go Thomas? There are a couple of things that these things have in common. What they have in common is that they're Thomas and Friends toys that are made by the same company, the Hitoi company, and they were made in the same year, or 2006. What was it in 6? What else? What do they have in common? Well, they have the same Thomas and Friends logo. Thomas and Friends logo. And another thing they have in common is that they're They're both Thomas and Friends toys that are not neither Trackmaster Master that are not Trackmaster Master toys. They're just regular Thomas and Friends toys. So I really am glad I got this in the mail today. Basically, of course, I can't really decide which item is better. The Load and Go Thomas or the Whistle and Go Thomas. You decide. Well, in the meantime, I'll be right back just for a second. I'm going to put the Whistle and Go Thomas back in the cabinet where it belongs. Oh, Thomas. You know, this toy actually looks like it came from Ross. Or either that it could have came from Toys R Us. But whatever it is, this is a very special, valuable item that I'm going to be keeping in the box forever. So, basically, you pull back Trevor, and when Trevor gets on the flatbed, Thomas goes. Goes and moves. Well, this is a very valuable item that I just know it's going to look good inside my cabinet with all the other bonus printed strings and other brand new things. Well, guys, that's just about it to talk about. So to wrap up this video, I'm going to say, if you're interested in purchasing the Load and Go Thomas, brand new in the original box, if you plan on keeping him in the box, I highly recommend your only choices that are available are either a garage sale, a thrift store, or an antique store, or eBay. If I recommend, if I were y'all guys, I recommend you buy this valuable item on eBay. For because us buying things on eBay, they are the best way is to get items brand new and new. So yeah. When I looked this up on eBay, they wanted $59.95 for this item, but I paid less than, but I paid nowhere near as much as that for this. Yes. So I want to say, I repeat, if you guys are, or if you folks are pretty interested in purchasing this item brand new in the original box, I highly recommend you buy it on eBay. For a reasonable amount of money. Keep in mind though, like my Trackmaster Murdoch and my Whistle and Go Thomas and my Talking Gordon, the Load and Go Thomas is the 2006 Thomas and Friends Load and Go Thomas, which is made by the Hit Toy Company, is extremely hard to find brand new in the original box. Most Load and Go Thomas toys are pretty easy to find pre-owned. If you see a Load and Go Thomas that's brand new in the original box, get it because and if you have the money, jump on it, buy it with your money, or buy it now, or place a bid for this item, and you should be able to get it on eBay for a reasonable amount of money. And I'll tell you, jump on it because the Load and Go Thomas is a very special toy that is extremely hard to find on eBay. On eBay. In the meantime, I'm going to wrap up this video, and I hope you all guys enjoyed it. Oh, remember, folks, God made you special, and He loves you very much. Bye.